In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell USDT on Binance P2P. We'll walk through a safe, simple way to convert your USDT to cash using Binance's peer-to-peer marketplace. With P2P, you sell directly to another user, the buyer sends the money first, and Binance holds your USDT in escrow until you confirm you've been paid. That escrow protection is what keeps the process secure as long as you only release your crypto after you've received the funds. Start by opening the Binance app. From the home screen, go to Wallet, then tap Funding so you're looking at the balance used for P2P trades. Next, tap Buy Crypto and choose P2P to enter the marketplace. Once you're in, switch to the Sell tab. Here you'll see available buyers and payment options. Select USDT as the coin you're selling so the app filters everything appropriately. Enter the amount of USDT you want to sell. You can sell your full balance or just a portion. Make sure it matches what you actually want to receive in your local currency. Check the price shown so you understand the conversion you're agreeing to. Now choose a buyer. Aim for a buyer with a completion rate of around 98% or higher. Look at their ratings, recent activity, and the limits they support to ensure your amount fits within their range. Most importantly, confirm that the buyer supports your preferred payment method, such as Gcash or your specific bank, so receiving the money is straightforward. A solid rating and a payment window that gives enough time to transfer funds are both good signs. When you're comfortable with your choice, tap Sell USDT to create the order. At this point, Binance locks your USDT in escrow. The buyer will now send the payment to your selected account. Remember, the buyer sends the money first. You should not release any crypto before confirming you've actually received it. Wait for the buyer's payment, then check your Gcash or bank account directly. Don't rely only on text messages or screenshots. Log into your account and verify that the funds have arrived and are fully available. If your bank shows pending or on-hold deposits, wait until they clear. Only after confirming the money is in your account, go back to the order and tap Release. This finalizes the trade and sends the USDT from escrow to the buyer. Once released, the transaction can't be reversed, so double-check everything first. That's it. By following these steps, using highly rated buyers, and relying on Binance's escrow protection, you can sell USDT on Binance P2P confidently and safely.